Yo, what's crackalacking, y'all? This feel good with feel good investing. Came across a stock the other day that I have a strong conviction for. LightPath Technologies, you see it on the screen. LPTH is the ticker symbol right here. Matter of fact, let me make this bigger for y'all. Hold up, there we go. I think that's too big. Alright, there we go. That's what she said. You hear me? But yeah, LightPath Technologies, LPTH. Trading at $4.49 in the after hours. There was one of few of my stocks that was unfazed from this market crash today. LightPath Technologies has a very bright future, even though Yahoo got it at overvalued. But it's a company that made camera lenses, and this is what's needed for all your sensors on your electric vehicles, all your Lidar cameras, all of your thermal imaging cameras, and that's really what I want to talk to y'all about. See, I'm part of the Elon wave. I'm team Elon, team Tesla, team Neuralink, team SpaceX, all of the above. So whenever Elon says something, I listen. And he's not a big fan of Lidar, but what he is, considering what I heard through Sandy Monroe, is that they are thinking about thermal camera imaging. And I got this article pulled up. Thermal camera market to hit my website 3.6 billion by 2027. The integration of the IoT of thermal imaging devices to brighten market prospects. Let me zoom this in too. See, thermal cameras, it's multi-purpose. It's multi-purpose. Like, you can use thermal cameras because of the COVID-19 outbreaks, and you can also use it in the automotive sector. And this is really why I want to, break this down, or I want to put emphasis on the automotive sector, because COVID gonna get under wraps. The coronavirus might be around, but the magnitude of it is gonna soon die down. But electric vehicles gonna be around for a while, and if Elon doesn't like Lidar technology, then I don't like Lidar technology. Thermal imaging, though, that's a big deal. So yeah, as I'm reading, the rising adoption of thermal imaging technology in the automotive sector to boost the market. One of the factors in gaining prominence and boosting the thermal camera market growth is the rising uptake of these devices for performing automotive diagnostics. With increasing complexity and advancement in automotive technologies, efficient detection of vehicle problems is becoming a dire requirement in this sector. So there you have it. I think thermal cameras, we should put more emphasis. We should dig for more stocks. We should look for more companies that's dealing with thermal imaging. See, LightPath, even though they just make the lenses for these type of things, let's see what LightPath is all about. We'll go to the investors tab, see what's under there. Now we under the LightPath investors part of the site. I want to focus on this link right here. LightPath announces factory expansion in Riga, Latvia for new production of coating facility to accommodate increased infrared demand. It brings up this article. I'm not finna read through all of this, not on camera, at least not on this video, but yeah, I just want to shed light on LightPath. I just bought into it a couple of days ago. Got 300 shares. I'm up like $80 thus far. Let's check out the 52 range, 78 cents to $5.45. Like I said, they said $4.49. Let's see how many shares outstanding they have, and they got 19 million shares float with a total of 26 million shares. So it's a low amount of shares, but it's a small cap, mid cap company. I'm just trying to get in before everybody else finds out about it, before everyone start thinking about thermal and infrared imaging. And like I said, let's just be forward thinking, be ahead of the curve, and bag this money while it's good, you know. And while you investing, make sure you feel good while you're doing it. And I am out.